Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our channel TubeCore. And in this video we are going to review this newly launched product called Starr with double R in the end. Okay, this product has been launched on Warrior Plus today on 14th of June 2021, and let's understand the facts about this product. Make sure you stick till the end so that you can find out if you need this product or not, because this channel is about giving you honest, logical, and and proofs so that you can find out if the product is genuine or not. So first of all, let's find who is the owner of this product, and it's Art Flair. So his account on Warrior Plus, this is the name, Art Flair. He's a nice guy, so as me. Okay, I'm a nice guy too. But here, let's say if you go about, go on the website actually. So here it says our new software makes us 541 payments daily in 3 clicks, this and that. So obviously he does make money. He do a lot of things. He promotes his own product online, like on Warrior Plus as a vendor. He has a team of 3 people, I guess. And then he also do affiliate marketing. So yes, he makes money. He's right on that. But let's understand, what is your take on this? So this is a sales video. Don't watch it. No need. But it says on the right side, says cloud-based app that's a newbie friendly, this and that. Let's cut the let's cut the story short. What the system is going to do for you, it's going to find or extract or pull up all those Facebook cover pages, all those Facebook pages which are there in the Facebook, which do not have any cover image in the background in their Facebook page. So it's going to find out all those Facebook pages from the Facebook platform or database, you can say. And after it finds all those pages, then you will need to contact them or message them in the Facebook, saying that you do not have a cover image for your business. We are offering a custom, thumbnail or cover image for your business in this much cost. Are you interested? So you will contact them and send them this kind of message, and if they reply to you, then you can close the deal. You can talk to them. You can tell your customized price, what service you're gonna give them, how much you can charge them, and things like that. So technically, this piece of dashboard or software helps you to extract all those Facebook pages without having a cover image, and then it gives you the ability to send them message from the dashboard itself by linking your Facebook account to this dashboard. And eventually, when somebody agrees that okay, yes, they want a cover image from you, then you actually need to make that cover image and then send them or email them that cover image and make some money. Now, how do you do that? So if you are not a graphic designer, how will you make the cover image? So for that, they have linked the Fiverr website in their dashboard, so you can actually go to fiverr.com from there, and you can outsource the graphic design, the cover design to some freelancer in $5 or $10, and then you can charge your clients as much you want. You can charge them $50, $100, and you can outsource that work for $10, and you make profit of $40 or more. So this is a concept. This is a good concept, buddy, right? But let's understand the loopholes, because again, this channel is about logics and proofs. Here we're now just gonna close our eyes and then tell you just go ahead and buy. It's not about that. It's about telling you how to use your brain. Okay, so let's use the first thing at the top of the head, which is brain, and let's come to the sales. Apart from sales page here, you see these are the products first of all. So the basic price of the Starr product is 8.88. So you can understand, in the basic price you will not get all the features. They will restrict you. They will not give you all the pages, Facebook pages from the database. They will restrict certain leads. So let's say in 8.88 you might only get to contact 100 people on Facebook who do not have images on their, the cover images in their Facebook page, sorry. Similarly, if you go for a upgrade, then you might get 500 people. If you buy their maximum package, then it might be unlimited. So there will be restrictions in that inside the dashboard, and unless you don't upgrade, you will not be able to contact unlimited people on Facebook. Okay, so that's logic one, that's a loophole one. You need to be ready to spend more money, because in 8.88 you will not get every feature. So be ready to spend more if you are going for this product. Second thing is, let's come to this Warrior Plus sales page here, or the dashboard here. Now this is a product Starr launched by Art Fair. He's a nice guy, me too. And this has been launched today. 100 plus sales has been made. 9% is the conversion rate and 0% is the referral rate. So it's okay to sell this concept and this product. This person, his team has done a good job, worked hard and everything. But my job here to give my audience a logical review with proof. Now I'm going to prove why the system is going to not work for you. Yes, I mean it. I will tell you why the system is not going to work for you, because first of all, right now 100 plus copies have been sold, which means now 100 people are using the same system to contact people on Facebook and give out their services. So while this system was not launched, there was no competition. Or let's say if you are the only person who is having the system and only you are scraping or extracting those Facebook business pages which does not have the have the cover image. So if you're alone, are you getting the point? If you're alone, then you can contact those people and offer your services. But right now 100 people have purchased this software, and that means those 100 people are going to contact all those people in Facebook, and then you have to compete with those 100 people to make some sales. Did you still not get the point? Let me rewind this again. So let's say these 100 people, so the software has been sold to 100 people here, right? Now I am a Facebook business. Let's say I'm a Facebook business. I run a mechanic shop or repair shop or whatever. Now, when these 100 people find my Facebook page, which does not have a cover image, right? So I do not have a cover image. They go to my Facebook page and they contact me now saying, hey, you do not have a Facebook page. I'm sorry, you do not have a cover image on a Facebook page. We are offering you the cover image in this price. Now imagine that person like me, who has a Facebook image, this cover image, or do not have a cover image rather. So I am going to receive 100 offers. So all these 100 people are going to tell me the same thing, that buy cover image from us, buy cover image from us, buy cover image from us, buy cover image from us 100 times. So that one person is going to get the message from all these people who has purchased this software, because these people have nowhere else to promote. So see how this system is going to lack in terms of making money. So when it comes to make money online, you might make some money. You might make $5, $10, I don't know. But this is not a successful system. Concept is good until unless it is not compromised. Right now, when they have made this concept public, that means now people can manually do this as well. It will take some time. They'll have to find the pages manually, then contact those people and then offer the services. But right now, this software has been purchased by 100 people, which means that if you buy it now, that means you have to compete with those 100 other people which are already going to promote their services to the same person who has, who don't have the image on their cover profile. So it is not going to make you money, because if you're going to compete with 100 people, that means those 100 people are telling some price, and if you tell something different, then the buyer, you can say, has a choice. So if 100 people contacting me that, okay, we are offering you the cover image, now I have the choice to choose the minimum price. Did you understand? So those 100 people will be telling, somebody will be saying, I will offer you the service in $100. Somebody will be saying in $50. Somebody will be saying in $10. Somebody will be saying in $200. Now 100 people are going to tell him different prices. and me as a buyer, I will choose the minimum. So if somebody offers me $10 and you offer $100, I'll go for $10. And this system, this bidding, this means that buyers on Facebook will have a lot of options to go with. And as many people buy this Starr software, the competition is going to be increased and this system is not going to work. I'm so sorry to say that, but I mean it. I had to give you honest review. Okay. So let's cut the crap here. Let's go back to the sales page. It's all good. They have a good concept. Everything is fine on their website. This person is good. I'm good too. But you will less likely make any money. Even if you'll make some money, it will be not worth it. Now we'll have to end this video. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel, like the video, so that we can keep giving you honest reviews. If you don't like the video, if you don't subscribe, then we might have to sell you scam products too. So please subscribe. Thank you for watching.